Welcome back, folks. I've got a few project campers coming up for sale, clearing out the yard. This is a 1981 VW T25. I just wanted to start the engine first, no cameraman today. I drove this over 200 miles back it was about 18 months ago. It had a private number plate 921 URB, 921 Uniform Romeo Bravo, if you want to check the MOT history online. It is a Spurs repair. There is no warranty. It's on sale with no reserve. As I say, it was MOT'd. When did we MOT? It was November, the end of November. Just getting round now, and it's got 19 advisories, so make of that as you will. I missed a trick really. It's got 11 former keepers. I had to put my name in to remove the private number plate, but it was showing the last two owners have had it for 20 years, so obviously the bodywork and the age, but it actually does drive well. 5-speed manual. It drives remarkably well, no crunches. It actually started nearly first time. Just had to put the boost pack on, so I'm just going to start. So I just had to put a boost pack on there to start it. I'll just show you there. These old VWs, sometimes if they're stood for a while, you just pump the pedal a couple of times. But she starts well. So just first of all, the first part of the video, I'll just show you the engine running. Typical old VW, 44 years old, and just running like a little sewing machine. So I'll switch off the engine, close the tailgate, and we'll put that back in and continue the video. So carrying on now, I've switched the engine off. Yes, it's neither here nor there, this. It's not scrap, it's 41 years old. This would either do up gently and use as a day van and use it as it is during the summer of 2025, or you could use it for a complete donor vehicle for, it must be worth a few bob in parts alone. So there's the new number plate. Sierra Juliet Alpha 683 X-ray. We've got a new V5 logbook showing that registration number now. So bodywork, yes, it's neither here nor there. You see, I don't want to oversell it or undersell it. Bits here and there. Door card's okay, door is okay. That trim is just a little bit loose there. There's a bit of trim loose on here, but it is holding, it's dry inside. As I say, it's been here for over a year. With it driving so well, folks, I'll still do the nationwide delivery. I'll drive this anywhere in the country, £100 all I want. I'll either bring it on the trailer or the tray plates and drive it and get the train back. But yeah, I can deliver it anywhere in the United Kingdom after a £500 deposit. Might not even make that much. So be it. It's on sale with no reserve. A few little marks there. Again, is 44 years old and qualifies. DVLA wrote to me to say it qualifies now for historic no road tax if it's not used for business purposes. That was on it when it came. Obviously that's the worst. Obviously it's been holding the water out there. There's the tape's a bit deteriorated while it's been here. And that driver's window, but we've done nothing to it. It's just as it is. I've just given it a wash off this morning to get a bit of the green to show you the roof. I haven't washed off the top surface, but that surface will come up the same as that. Driver's corner there. Again, I don't think you'd put it into a body shop. You'd be spending thousands of pounds. Maybe you will, or you probably touch it up and use it as it is. Or I know a lot of VW people like the wrap look. So there's the outside. We'll just have a quick look in the passenger side. There's the seat and there's all the paperwork. As I say, it's got 19 advisories, so I'll do a picture of that. We've got lots of paperwork. The passenger seat is not too bad. Tiny little bit of frame there. All the carpet seems okay at the bottom. All the inner sill and arch. Let's have a look in the driver's side. Just a bit dirty, we've been here on a muddy day. Carpets all presentable. So that's the worst. That would either knit together, or maybe put a pair of seat covers on if you are using it. There's the table incidentally. I've had to put the boost pack on now. So depending whether you're collecting or whatever, we'll see about putting a new engine battery on it. 151,000 miles. I've shown you it starting. Driver's door card's okay. So is the front roof lining. So I've just put the cushion back in now. It's got a 2-bike rack on the back. And the struts are holding up. A lot of times they go weak, but it's holding up the tailgate. It's just got a couple of rips here. So it has had, this is just an over cushion. You can see it there with the string. So that can be removed if you so wish. And it's got the matching material to that. Access to the wardrobe from inside. Tow bar. Stepping inside, so it is what it is. On sale, spares a repair. I can't possibly put a warranty on. It's 44 years old. The material's not too bad, all things considered. That comes out, and then I'll show you a picture of the bed laid out. We've got the 3-way fridge. Again, it's your guess if it works. It probably wants a service. 3-way fridge. What have we got in this cupboard? Just storage. Bit of debris there. Grill, again untested, spares or repair. Sink, cold water, storage in the override gas safety tab. And what have we got in here? We've got a Thetford cassette toilet and a camping gas bottle. We've got the means, hook up a fuse box there. Control panel there, lighting. Here you can remove these, and it's got various cupboards and storage. Again, storage above there, more lighting. This is probably the worst. This pulls out, makes a double bed there, but as you can see, it's all frayed on that side. But that does make out to a double bed upstairs. Again, it's been stood for 18 months, so you've got a little bit of, I'd say, light mould marks. It is what it is. There's the roof, but it is actually dry. There's nothing's been water leaking. Room there for your cups and saucers. Again, storage cupboard, and as you can see, there's no leaks anywhere in this vehicle. There's the roof lining, TV aerial point. So it is what it is. On sale. Spares a repair. I'm quite happy to take it or drive it anywhere in the United Kingdom. So this is a 1981 VW T25, genuine conversion from brand new by Autosleepers. And there's not much more I can tell you about it. I haven't serviced it. It is, as I say, strictly on sale with no warranty, spares a repair. I will not end the auction. It'll sell to the highest bidder, come what may. And if you watch the videos in the next coming weeks, next couple of months certainly, there's a few projects. We've got a VW, another Autosleeper there. We've got a Renault and a Holdsworth. Okay, folks, I'll catch you on that next video.